Good morning, students. Today we will continue with the same chapter, OpenOffice Writer 1. There are three types of formatting: character formatting, paragraph formatting and page formatting. So today we will study about page formatting. So if we have to set the page design and layout like page size, orientation and margin, three things we can change from here. So first of all, page size. Page size means paper size. You know very well nowadays we are having paper of A4 size, A3 size and so on, or otherwise height and width also we can mention. So first of all, you have to click on format in the menu bar and then you have to choose page option. When you will click on page, then you will get page style dialog box. Okay, page style dialog box will open and there you have to click on page tab. In page tab, you will get option of page format. Okay, so first of all will be the page size and there you can mention, see there will be a select box and in select box you can select from select box you can choose already specified page size like A4, A3 etc. And below that there is height and width. So you can set height and width there also manually. Then there is page orientation. Page orientation are of two types: portrait, landscape. So just below the paper size or page size there is page orientation. You will be getting two options. There will be radio buttons. So if you want the portrait means lengthwise and landscape means widthwise. Okay, like I told you how to make greeting card practically. At that time we used landscape. So if you have to choose this, then below paper size, page size, you have two options: portrait and landscape and orientation. You can choose any one for your page. Then there is margin. So below orientation, you will be getting four types of margins. Margins means space between the paper edge and the text. Okay, paper edge and the text. So it will look good if there is a space between the paper edge and the text. So there are four types of margin. First of all, left margin, top margin, right margin and bottom margin. So you can choose any one option from the four margins given. Headers and footers. Many of the books you might have seen or in your textbook also, at the top there are few text, images, logo, page number etc. repeating in all the pages. So at that time we can set header and few same thing can be written in footer also. That means at the bottom of the page, which will be common for all the pages. You might have seen page numbers repeating in all the pages. Then there will be a chapter name or something like that, or a quotation repeating in many pages. At that time you can use headers and footers facility in OpenOffice Writer. There are two ways we can insert headers and footers. First of all, we can click on insert in the menu bar and then we can choose header option. Okay, when we click on insert, we will be getting two options, headers and footers. We can directly choose headers and footers from there also. Otherwise, in the second method, the same format option we will use. In the format, we have to click on page option. In format menu, you will get option page. There you can choose option header or you can choose option footer. Okay, what will happen when you click on format menu? Then you have to choose page option. After that, page style dialog box will open and there you have to click on header tab. And when you click on header tab, you will get various options to put header. Okay, headers we can set three sides. Okay, like at the top left, top center and top right. So there you can enter the values. The same footer also we can add, but it will be there at the bottom of the page. Then we can insert numbers. But before inserting numbers, we should also insert footer. Okay, it is necessary to put footer if we are inserting page numbers. So first of all, to insert footer, you have to click on this option or this option. After entering the footer, you can choose numbering pages. So there you have to click on insert in the menu bar, and there you will get option fields, and there you will choose page number. Then you will be able, then automatically the page number will be added to all the pages. Now borders. If you want to put border in your page, then you have to click on format in the menu bar. Then you have to choose page option there. Then page style dialog box will open. In that you have to click on borders tab. When you click on borders tab, you will get three options. First of all, line arrangements, like where you want to put the border. Okay, around or one side only or all the sides, etc. And then after that you will get the style of border style, like thin line, dashed line, dotted line, what you want in the border, that you can choose. And then after that you will be getting border color. So you can choose necessary color that you want for your border. So only students, this much for today. The chapter is over. If you are having a doubt in any of the chapter, you can contact me. Thank you. Have a nice day.